One of the gull wing arms has broken off, and we are going to have to try and figure out a way to weld that. So in order to make more of a support, I'm going to try and beat up on this tubing and see if I can't slide it in so that it's underneath. And then this will have something to bite onto when I weld it. But also just to give a physical support, because obviously that got weak. I think that worked out okay. It's not as high as I wanted it to be, but it's going to provide support, and hopefully, hopefully some of the weld catches that too. Yep, that actually really worked. There's no flex in that at all. In general, I'm pretty unhappy with the way these things come, these floor rails. They don't fit at all. There's overlap everywhere. The angles are all wrong. They just look like total shit. Look at that compared to the original. So what you wind up doing is filing and hammering until the angles line up a little better, and it looks like a rounded end instead of whatever the fuck it is they send you. So I was taking the rear hub apart to clean it, and I noticed that the weld on this bolt has failed. Don't know if you can see where the welds are broken. That one seems to be okay. That one's a little loosey-goosey. So we're gonna fix 3 of these. You can see the crack on that one. We're gonna re-weld these. And there they are, re-welded. And they're not moving at all. If you ever worked on an old Allstate, especially the handlebar ones, you may have come across one of these rear brake switches. They're really hard to find, and they're really hard to find in working condition. There's usually a spring that attaches to the nut that retains the cable on the rear brake. So when you hit the brake pedal, the spring pulls forward and makes contact. I found these on Amazon. They work exactly the same way. Just attach 2 wires here, and this makes the contact. And you can make your own mounting plate. This mounting plate goes to the bottom 2 bolts that holds the engine into the swing arm. It's not a bad solution. They're $13 each. They're kind of cheap plastic, but if you're in a bind and you want to set up a brake light, they'll do. And you don't have to order it from Germany.